Welcome to EduAIverse, your guide to the AI-powered future. Let's talk about how artificial intelligence is taking over social media in 2025. White Mark AI now writes posts, edits images, and even creates viral videos automatically. White Mark platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube use AI to decide what you see based on your behavior. White Mark chatbots respond to your messages on Facebook and Instagram 24/7 like humans. White Mark AI tools help influencers and businesses schedule posts, analyze trends, and grow their audience faster. White Mark even filters, voice changers, and content suggestions are powered by AI. From behind the scenes to center stage, AI is shaping how we scroll, share, and speak online. So next time you are scrolling, remember, AI is working silently behind the screen. Follow EduAIverse for more eye-opening AI content.